Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you recover your Facebook account in case it says that your account has been logged out, or like your account has been logged and it says either it says learn more or it says get started. Now usually in the case when it says get started, basically that is just for security purposes. And like for example, there are numerous ways that your account may be logged. For example, you're sending out way too many friend requests, you're sending out way many texts, like anything that just seems like you're spamming or something. And Facebook considers this an unusual activity and could block your account, could lock your account. So now in some cases you might see something like this, like your account has been logged and you see this learn more button. Now in the learn more button, it is usually going to tell you why it's been logged, and like what are the what things that you could have done that have led to it being locked. So how do you unblock it? Basically there's this search form that you can search for. You can search for Facebook contact form, right? Now the first link here which says my personal account was disabled, we can open that. And now here we can enter our email address, our full name, and we can just attach a screenshot. And usually you can just send it here. And you can contact the Facebook support, and you can give them as much information as they might need, and you can help recover it. So that is pretty much the only way you could recover your Facebook account. The only way to unlock your account is reaching out to the Facebook support, and hopefully they will fix that account for you. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.